Hello students, now we will discuss heat transfer. Heat transfer. Students, heat transfer takes place when there is a temperature difference between two systems. When there is a temperature difference. There is a temperature difference between two systems. Temperature difference between two systems. Heat transfer takes place. Takes place. Heat transfer takes place. And heat transfer takes place from a system at higher temperature, to a system of lower temperature. There are three modes. Of transfer of heat. These three modes, we will discuss these three modes one by one. The number one mode of heat transfer is conduction. In this mode of heat transfer, the material medium transfer energy from a molecule with higher translational kinetic energy to a neighboring molecule with lower translational kinetic energy. Transfer of heat takes place from a molecule with higher translational kinetic energy to the neighboring molecule with lower translational kinetic energy. Thus, energy. This point is to be noted that transfer of energy takes place without actual motion of the mass. In this mode of transfer of heat, transfer of energy takes place without actual transfer. Transfer of energy takes place without actual transfer of the mass. The next mode of transfer of heat is convection. convection. The first is conduction and second is convection. In this method, the cooler portion of the medium moves toward hotter portion. The cooler portion of the medium moves toward hotter portion. The cooler portion of the medium moves toward hotter portion. That is, in this mode of transfer of heat, actual motion of particles or mass takes place. Actual motion of particles or mass takes place. Generally, heat transfer in liquids takes place by this method. Heat transfer in liquids takes place by this method. Okay. The third mode of heat transfer is radiation. Heat transfer is, this is the process in which heat transfer takes place by means of electromagnetic radiation. Heat transfer takes place by means of electromagnetic radiation. Takes place by means of electromagnetic radiation. When an object is heated, its molecule start vibration. When a substance is heated, its molecules start vibration. जब किसी चीज़ को गर्म किया जाता है तो उसके मॉलिक्यूल्स में वाइब्रेशन होना शुरू हो जाता है. And these vibrating molecules emit electromagnetic radiation. These vibrating molecules emit electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation. And this electromagnetic radiation comes out in the form of waves. That is, these vibrating molecules constitute electromagnetic waves. Okay, electromagnetic waves. These waves, when received by a body at lower temperature, these electromagnetic waves, when received by a body at lower temperature, will increase thermal energy of the particles of that body, and as a result the temperature of the body increases. Okay, these waves are received by particles of the body at lower temperature, and as a result the temperature of this body increases. Temperature of this body increases. Okay, the next type is thermal conduction. थर्मल कंडक्शन, जैसे मैंने आपको शुरू में बताया था, थर्मल मोड ऑफ ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट ड्यू टू कंडक्शन. नाउ इट इज ए स्पेसिफिक केस ऑफ कंडक्शन विच इज कॉल्ड थर्मल कंडक्शन. इन थर्मल कंडक्शन, thermal energy is transferred from a hotter part of a body to the cooler one. Thermal energy is transferred from a hotter part of a body टू लोअर वन. यानी इसी बॉडी के हीट ट्रांसफ़र होता है एक ही बॉडी में. कहाँ से? जो एक एंड है बॉडी का जो हायर टेम्परेचर पर है, उससे लोअर टेम्परेचर वाले एंड की तरफ हीट का ट्रांसफ़र होता है. ओके, नाउ देयर इज and another topic which is coefficient of thermal conductivity. Coefficient of thermal conductivity. Coefficient of thermal conductivity. There is a expression which we will derive in this topic. The expression for thermal coefficient of thermal conductivity. Let there is a rod of length x. लेट देयर इज ए रोड ऑफ लेंथ x. इस रोड की लेंथ x है. देयर इज ए रोड ऑफ लेंथ x एंड क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया a. इस रोड का क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया है a. क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया a विद इट्स एंड एट टेम्परेचर T1 एंड T2. एट टेम्परेचर T1 एंड T2 where temperature T1 is higher than T2. Temperature T1 is greater than temperature T2. Let Q, capital Q, be the amount of heat flow. Q, the amount of heat flow. Q is the amount of heat flow across the opposite faces of the road. Heat flow across the opposite faces of road in time t. ठीक है, इन टाइम t. Practically it is observed that there are 4 conditions. Number 1, the amount of heat transferred is directly proportional to the cross section area of rod. That is, from the definition, Q directly proportional to A. Q directly proportional to A. Second condition, the amount of heat transferred is directly proportional to the temperature difference between the two ends. That is, Q directly proportional T1 minus T2, where T1 minus T2 is the temperature difference between the two ends. The third condition is transfer of heat directly proportional to the time. And the last condition, 4, transfer of heat is inversely proportional to the length of the rod. Okay, there are 3 equations. On combining these 4 equations, we have Q proportional to A into T1 minus T2 into T upon X, or Q equal to K A T1 minus T2 upon X, where the constant of proportionality K, which we placed here, the constant of proportionality K which we place here is called the coefficient of thermal conductivity. The coefficient of thermal conductivity. Okay, the coefficient of thermal conductivity, or simply the thermal conductivity of the material of rod. Simply the thermal conductivity of material of rod. Okay, now we will define coefficient of thermal conductivity. Definition of K, thermal conductivity. Suppose if A equal to 1, okay, A equal to 1 meter square, and T1 minus T2 equal to 1 degree Celsius, and T equal to 1 second, and X equal to 1 meter. Then according the equation which we derived earlier, Ka T1 minus T2 into T upon X, we have K equal to Q. Placing the values of these symbols, 1, K is equal to Q. Thus, coefficient of thermal conductivity is numerically equal. Thermal conductivity is numerically equal to the rate of heat flow, to the rate of heat flow through unit area of cross section, through unit area of cross section, to which there is a unit temperature gradient. There is a unit temperature gradient. Okay. This was the explanation for coefficient of thermal conductivity, coefficient of thermal conduction. Okay, coefficient of thermal conduction और thermal conductivity. Here ये जो टर्म आई है यहाँ पर, देयर इज ए यूनिट टेम्परेचर ग्रेडियंट. ये जो टर्म आई है यूनिट टेम्परेचर ग्रेडियंट, दिस टेम्परेचर ग्रेडियंट इज गिवन बाय T1 माइनस T2 ऑब्लिक x. ये जो इस इक्वेशन में जो टर्म है T1 माइनस T2 अपॉन x, इट इज कॉल्ड एज टेम्परेचर ग्रेडियंट. Okay student, thank you.